Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can increase your Instagram followers, IG followers, and this is the best way, best method for increase your IG followers, Even I have tried this and it's such an incredible there. Okay, I'm gonna show you how you can do it within every day, every day like 500, 300, 1000, just as you want, without you follow back anyone, something like it's really such a one of the incredible way I bought for you there. Okay, like you can increase every day, not only your followers, you can increase your views, even your likes, whatever you want, comments, everything you will get there. And this is the one of the best step in my opinion there. Okay, right now I'm gonna show you how you can do it. Okay. Okay guys, I'm gonna open my iPad right now because I have downloaded this app, and you can download this, no problem. Look at this is my iPad there. Okay, there you go. Okay, this app name is like+, boost your Instagram profile, where you can boost your everything, not like only followers there, everything you can, whatever you want, I just log in there. Yeah, like as you can see there, my coins 0 now. Yeah, my coins are 0, nothing. Okay, I followed there 16. Every followers you will get 16 credits. For like you will get 4 credits there. Okay, you can unfollow them later, no problem. Like, okay, that's what you have to do there. Okay, if you want to watch videos, then you will get 10 credits, as you can see my credit, it's increasing. You should try this app because I have tried this one and I get everything achievement. Look, if you want to buy their credits, you can buy, no problem there. And there is how many credits need for followers there. For 5 credits, for 5 followers, you have to pay 50 credits. Look at the golden flower there. If you're gonna do this, then look, you have to read this one. Then they never gonna unfollow you. As you can see, my credits increasing now 85. Yeah, it's gonna be more there. As you can see there, also you can increase your like. For 10 likes, you have to pay 20 credits. It's very cheap, very cheap. It's such an unbelievable. This app is. Look at there. There is, oh my god, for 10 views you have to pay only 40 credits. Then what you will get free? Credits are there free, I'm telling you. These credits you will get free, for 10 views. Oh my gosh, it's too much, Look at this, like, put in the like, no problem, there is nothing, Look, my credits there, my credits is increasing. If you want to play the games, if you like games, then you playing games and you will get coins, there. Look at the coins there. If you want to buy there, you can buy, no problem there. Well, okay, this is the very interesting, there. Enjoy your free spin. Every day you will get one spin for free, Look at there you will, maybe if you're lucky, you will get 50 followers, you will get 1000 followers, 10,000 golden flowers. I'm not lucky, I think so, because I got only 10 credits for today. Yesterday I got how much? 50 followers. Unbelievable, you will not believe. Yeah, well, every day you will get only for one. Only one you will get. Every day you will get it. As you can see there, my coins increasing there. Well guys, okay, if you like this video, please subscribe and like my videos and subscribe my channel. Okay guys, see you in another video. Goodbye, see you later.